Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use IGTV. So let's start. First, open the IGTV app. When you open the app for the first time, you have to log in with your Instagram account. Since I have already logged in, I will continue. This is the feed page of the IGTV app, where you will see only IGTV videos from the creators. At the top of the screen, here you can see the creators I am following. Now I'll just tap on a creator and it will take me to their profile. Here you will see only their IGTV videos. Now let's go back to the feed page. If I keep scrolling down, you will see videos from other creators. Now let's visit a profile. From here you can follow a person and you can also see their videos. Now let's go back. At the bottom of the screen you will see Explore icon. Tap on that. And from here you can explore many creators and you can also view their content. On the bottom right corner you will see your profile icon. Tap on that. And you will go to your profile. From here you can edit your profile if you want to. You can also view all of your IGTV videos. Now if you tap on the three bars on top right corner, you can switch your accounts, link accounts, see your saved videos, log out from IGTV and some other options. Now let me show you how you can upload a video on IGTV. Go to your home page and then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can directly record a video and upload it, or you can easily upload a video from your gallery. All you have to do is tap on the gallery. Now select a video which is over a minute long. I'll select this one. Now here you will see a preview. Then tap Next on top right corner. Now add a cover to your video. When you are done, tap Next on top right corner. Now give your video a title. You can give a description if you want to. You can add to an IGTV series. You can post a preview on your profile and feed. If you tap on Advanced Settings, you can enable auto-generated captions. If you want to post it on Facebook, then enable Make Visible on Facebook, and you have to connect your Facebook page. When you are done, tap Post on top right corner and your video will be uploaded. And that's how you can use IGTV. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.